Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning student, welcome back. If you are brand new, I am so excited that you are here. My name is Laura Erdman-Luntz and I'm the founder of LauraErdmanLuntz.com as well as the Yoga and Essential Oils Yoga series. In this video, you are gonna love me. I'm gonna do a super quick series just to release some of that upper back tension. Now this series can be done at your desk or on your yoga mat. Might be a good thing to do right before bed so that you can release and get a good night's sleep. If you would like it, I would love it if you liked my video. Comment, let me know what you think about it, and subscribe and click on notifications so that you get a notification every time I release a new video, which is usually every week. Thanks for joining me, and I'll meet you on your mat. I always add essential oils to my practices because it enhances them so I get more out of my time on the yoga mat. For this one with shoulder tension, I've chosen 3. The first one is more for anybody who's sitting at your desk right now in the middle of the afternoon and needs a little pick-me-up as well as a tension release, and that is peppermint. So what you want to do with your peppermint is take a couple of drops, rub your hands together, enjoy the aroma, which is totally going to perk you up, and then take the extras and just rub it right into the shoulders. Now, whether you're at your desk or you're unwinding for your evening, the other 2 I would recommend would be PanAway, which is an amazing blend to support all of that muscular tension issues, and it also comes in this Young Living starter kit, and Ortho-Ease. If you've been following me for a while, you know how much I love Ortho-Ease. It's such an amazing oil. It's actually a massage oil with essential oils in it, and it's so great. It's so penetrating and yummy. And what I do is I actually put it in a roller. So this is just a 10 ml roller with a metal ball, and I can use it to rub in lower back, shoulders. In fact, I keep this right by my bed and rub it into my shoulders and lower back before bed to really help me get a good night's sleep. Now, for props, if you're at your desk, you don't need anything. If you're on the floor, you'll want something to sit on because we're gonna start sitting. And you may want 2 blocks. Have them handy if you happen to have blocks. And if you don't worry about it. You can do what we're gonna do without them. Okay, so we're gonna start off cross-legged if you're on the floor. If you're in a chair, just sit with your feet flat on the floor, sitting up nice and tall. So get that spine lifted, shoulders are down. Just take a moment to find your breath, finding that quiet spot right over your sit bones. Big shoulder rolls. Take them forward to start, and I want you to make them huge. Take those shoulder blades in their full range of motion. So here they come all the way forward, all the way down, squeeze them together, and then bring them all the way up underneath your ears. Really big circles. This is phenomenal for that upper back shoulder tension area. And then go ahead and change direction. Now, I want you to also be rocking back and forth on the sit bones. I'll give you a side view so you can see what I'm talking about. You're bringing your shoulders all the way up, and as you rock back, you're rocking on the sit bones. As you come forward, you're rocking forward to arc up. And this gives you a nice undulation through the spine, which helps with that tension. We're going to do one more, and you're going to end with a really big heart lift, arms open, shoulder blades squeezed together, and then release. Probably already feeling a whole lot better. Drawing the belly in again, lifting tall, shoulders are down. Take your right ear down to your right shoulder and reach out through your left arm. So if you're on your chair, you're just going to extend that arm. If you're on your mat, take your fingertips to the mat and just walk them out so you can get a nice long stretch up that side of the neck all the way down. We'll bring it into the shoulder, which is just lovely. And then go ahead and take the head down at an angle. Now we're getting into a muscle that really affects that tension in the upper shoulder area, in the trapezius. And then bring the head up and release. So we're getting these muscles right here. Draw the belly in, lift tall. Take the ear to the other side. Reach through the opposite arm, walking the fingertips away. And just let that head tip. Turning your head down at an angle. Keep breathing as you hold. And then bring the head back up and release. Already feel a difference, don't you? Isn't that lovely? Now, if you're sitting on the floor, change the cross of your legs. Draw the belly in, lift tall. Bring your right arm up, palm faces in. Left arm hooks in the crook. Now, if you can't get it all the way around or all the way in, just let it be here. However far you can go, if you can get it all the way across, great. And then you're going to bring the palms together if you can. If you can't, they can be here. You can grab a finger. Whatever you can do is great. We're just looking to get the shoulder blades coming apart. So feel your shoulder blades in the upper back beginning to come apart. Keep the shoulders down as you lift the elbows, and then take your chin into the chest. Feel that stretch right between the shoulder blades. And then release, bring your head up, take the arms out, and we'll go right over to the other side. So left arm on the bottom, right arm on top. Again, as far as you can go. Shoulders are down, elbows lift up, chin to the chest. Feel the shoulder blades come apart. Breathing into the upper back. So wonderful. And then release and open the arms out and take them down. Just take a breath. One final one. Great to come up onto all fours. If you are at your desk, you're just going to scooch your chair back. If you're on the floor, you're going to take your elbows onto the block or the floor. If you're at your desk, you're just going to set your elbows up on your desk and scooch your chair back to get the stretch. I'm going to demonstrate on the blocks, but again, if you don't have blocks, you can just do it on the floor. Bringing the palms together, walk the knees back, and begin to take the shoulders down toward the floor. You'll get this great stretch in that upper back. Draw the belly in so you're not sinking in the lower back. Keep the shoulder blades down away from the ears, so you're drawing the shoulder blades into your back, and you're finding your breath. Feel that stretch in the upper back. And then release. You're going to come up. If you're on the floor, walk your knees up. If you're on the floor, come back into child's pose. I want you to draw your belly up and round down, taking your hands back by your feet and releasing. If you're in your chair, just sit back in your chair, let your head release down, let your shoulders release. Just let yourself kind of slump here for a moment. Take a few breaths. And then come on up. And just take a moment, feel the upper back and neck. Isn't that wonderful? Thank you so much for joining me. It's been a pleasure sharing this with you. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and click on notifications so you find out every time I release a new, amazing, wonderful Yoga Essential Oil Yoga Series video. Thanks for joining me. Namaste.